In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Shopify store to another account. This process might sound a little daunting at first, but with these step-by-step instructions, you'll find it straightforward and easy to manage. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see an icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. It's the hub where you can control many important options related to your store. After you click on Settings, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. You're going to want to select the General tab from this list. This section provides you with all the basic details and configurations related to your store, which makes it an important go-to area for foundational tasks. Once you're in the General settings, scroll down towards the bottom of the page. Here is where you'll find the options for organizations and store transfers. These features are incredibly handy, especially when it comes to shifting management from one user to another. Look closely and you'll see a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click on this to move forward in the process. Now, you'll be presented with an option that says Transfer Store. This is the feature that will enable you to hand over control of your Shopify store to someone else entirely. At this point, you'll need the email address of the new owner. Be sure to double-check you've got the correct email, as this is crucial for a seamless transition. After inputting the new owner's email address, it's simply a matter of clicking Transfer. This final step initiates the process, officially changing the ownership to the email address you've entered. The new owner will receive an invitation to accept ownership and get started with managing their newly acquired store. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully transferred your Shopify store to another account. It's a pretty straightforward process once you break it down into these simple steps. Make sure to communicate with the new owner to ensure they've received the transfer notification and can access the store without any issues. If you have any questions or encounter any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's support, as they're incredibly helpful for any troubleshooting you might need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If so, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more helpful guides and tips. Have a great day, and happy selling!